The equities market resumed trading activities on a negative note midweek as the NSE-ASI records 0.90% loss amid decreased volume turnover as market sentiment and market breadth closed negative. Its year-to-date returns currently stands at minus 9.19%. Welcome to the Market Opening Gong, the program that gives you updates from the Nigerian capital market. This edition captures the market performance for Thursday, July 2nd, 2020. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the all-share index closed at 24,374.40 basis points with a market capitalization of 12.715 trillion naira in 3,889 deals. At the close of trading for the day, investors lost 115.7 billion naira to erase the previous day gain as market recorded 7 gainers to 26 losers. Naimet International Pharmaceuticals, Jaiz Bank and Unity Bank were top gainers for equity, while Capital Hotel PLC, GlaxoSmithKline Consumer Nigeria and Unilever Nigeria were among the top losers. United Bank for Africa, FBN Holdings and Guaranty Trust Bank were the top players in terms of trade volumes and most active to boost market turnover. Looking at the FMDQ OTC exchange, the debt market size closed at 28.79 trillion naira, the NAFEX rate closed at 386 naira 50 kobo to a dollar, while the I&E FX rate opened at 386 naira 86 kobo to a dollar and closed at 386 naira to a dollar. For the NASD OTC, the NSI closed at 708.82 basis points with a market capitalization of 520.68 billion. The volume of shares traded was 10,230 and 34,890 in terms of value traded in 3 deals executed, which shows a decline in performance for the day. You can also check for global, commodity, currency and other indices on the economic dashboard displaying on the screen. For the highlights from yesterday, Cadbury Nigeria PLC notified the Nigerian Stock Exchange that the chairman of the board of directors, Mr. Atedo Peterside, CON, resigned from the board effective 30th of June 2020 to concentrate on other interests. Mr. Peterside has been a member of the board of directors from 5th August 2009 and became chairman on 21st April 2020. Also, the board and management of GUINNESS Nigeria PLC notified the Securities and Exchange Commission, the Nigerian Stock Exchange and investing public of material circumstances with impact on its FY 2020 results as approved by the board to be published in accordance with extant rules and guidelines after the completion of the year-end audits in the month of August 2020. GUINNESS Nigeria carried out a comprehensive review of its asset base and made a strategic decision to impair a certain category of assets which were generating suboptimal returns. This is in line with the company's long-term strategy of delivering value to shareholders. After a record-breaking month in March, which saw the equity market rally significantly as the all-share index gained 9.8%, June has been relatively soft in market movements, but with a bearish bias. Month to date, the ASI is down 1.7%. The weak sentiment in equities was broad-based as all sub-indices trended lower during the month. On the market activities to watch today, the Web TV market review by 10 a.m. will feature Mr. Wale Olusi, Head of Research, United Capital. The program will discuss the outlook for second half of 2020 Nigerian capital market. And that's a wrap for this edition of the Market Opening Gong. Visit www.proshareng.com to get more updates from our news stories and videos. Connect with us on our social media platforms showing on the screen for further updates on our market reports. The ProShare mobile app is also available on Apple Store and Play Store on your mobile device, which allows you to customize your preferred news and videos. Till we come your way again, thank you for watching and do stay safe.